not too much of a brain tease, and that finding your way through the maze was a fair challenge. Thank you all for being part of this concept. In the IT environment, finding the right solution may often seem too complex, often like finding your way through a maze. Remember, there's usually a better way, sometimes a simpler way. At IT Solvz, we chose the smart way, even if it means bending some rules. Representing the global IT complexities. The campaign reveal that you've just discovered has still not been published in the medias and won't be until this coming Monday. You had this exclusivity tonight because you were smart enough to join the IT Solvz family. For those who tried, you know that there are no classical solutions to this maze. But we know better because we bend the rules. But don't get me wrong, we bend the rules in the right sense of the word. Tonight, we are here together to discover the latest server, storage and network technologies from HP. Our partnership with HP started since the inception of IT Solvz in 1996, where we chose HP as our main partner, as are the #1 in the IT industry. HP offers end-to-end solutions in basically everything, from non-stop servers to desktop computers via notebooks, storage systems, networking, scanners, software and printers. HP also brings detailed technical knowledge and deep experience to bear in partners' engagement, allowing channel members to elevate what their firms deliver. They're recognized for having the best and broadest portfolio of products and services in the IT industry. The list of advantages and expertise goes on, and they have undoubtedly contributed toward the expansion of our company. In the first years of our development, IT Solvz was renowned mainly for offering solutions on PCs and printers. We've adopted this strategy to start only with those selected categories of IT products, master the technology behind them, and provide our customers with the highest level of knowledge, advice and service. We made this our philosophy. Today, alongside with printers and PCs, we are proficient in HP Blade technologies, HP FreePower technologies, HP Flex Fabric networking, amongst other fields. We are proud to announce that IT Solvz has now an enterprise division. It consists of a team of specialists that has been involved in the implementation of large-scale enterprise projects throughout the African continent. Our new enterprise team is already providing solutions to the utmost satisfaction of several blue-chip companies in both Mauritius and Madagascar. IT Solvz Madagascar emerged in October last year, and it is already delivering support on HP enterprise-level products to major stakeholders in the Malagasy economy, such as telco operators, insurance companies, and mining companies, to name a few. We are also proud to be HP Service One partner for both Mauritius and Madagascar, whereby we provide warranty services on enterprise products on behalf of HP. We strongly believe that you can benefit from our experience and bringing the best solution to fulfill your needs in terms of servers, storage, and network requirements. Stay with us for a presentation about these latest technologies from HP. And remember, together we will make things happen the smart way. Thank you.
The opportunity and expand their horizon if they expect to survive in the new world. Businesses need to rethink servers because these are going to handle a wider range of tasks in computing in areas that they have not been focused on previously. And HP is your clear choice, as HP is unique and provides a new style of IT. HP provides innovation and stability. HP has 55 years of customer collaboration, 25 years leading the x86 server market. HP powers 80% of the world's top exchange telecoms, pharmaceuticals, media companies, the most visited websites, and processes 13 billion credit card transactions. HP is the first in x86 revenue share on 71 quarters, first in Blade server revenue share on 28 quarters. Here at HP, we're very excited about the technology that we have. We believe we have a very clear direction of where the marketplace is going. We want to build a better enterprise with you together. This journey continues with HP's newest generation of ProLine servers, which is the Generation 9. The HP ProLine Gen 9 portfolio is redefining compute economics by delivering 3 times compute capacity with lower total cost ownership, maximizing data center capabilities at the lowest cost of service with 66 times faster service delivery with simple automation, provides 4 times faster performance, which will boost your business performance, growing your revenue, market share and margin. The HP ProLine Gen 9 portfolio delivers the right compute for the right workload at the right economics every time. Reimagine the server, think compute. Let's take a deeper brief at these benefits and the HP innovations that are contributing to the delivery of these great results. HP provides a comprehensive portfolio of virtualization solutions and services. With HP ProLine Gen 9, we're virtualizing in a better way, with 86% fewer components. This results for a better return on investment. HP ProLine can help customers on their journey to hybrid cloud with new capabilities. HP ProLine Gen 9 systems is part of a cloud system. HP Cloud System aligns application to the most appropriate deployment platform in an open, secure, heterogeneous environment, and this provides enhanced agility, drive new business opportunities, and lower costs. To keep pace with the rapidly changing customer behavior and market trends, businesses need to launch new applications, collect and manage more data, and make more data-driven decisions. But aging technologies limits ability to respond to today's business drivers. Modernizing your IT with HP ProLine Gen 9 servers gives automation and simplicity in managing servers, storage, and networking, providing 66 times faster deployment. Strategically deploying IT can help keeping operating costs low and can help business owners to expand their reach even when flat revenue. Some businesses will struggle to meet these requirements effectively due to limited IT budget and staff capacity. Technology solutions can bridge this gap with the updated HP Flex bundles. We will now have a look at the HP ProLine Gen 9 servers portfolio. HP provides the best and broadest server portfolio on the market, which consists of 8 different families with an optimized workload engineered for any demand. The Blade family, the rack-mounted servers, the tower-mounted servers, SL family, HP Moonshot, which is the world's first software-defined server, and finally HP Cloudline and HP Apollo. Each family has been engineered for specific demand and customer segment. Example, the ML300 and DL100 series have been designed for small businesses. The DL300 and BL400 series are for mid-market and enterprise businesses. And for service providers, we have hyperscale servers in the form of Apollo 6000 and 8000 series. We will now look in deep depth the portfolio of ML, DL, BL Generation 9 series servers. Tower servers. The entry level of tower servers starts with ML10 series, which is an ideal first server for small businesses to run general purpose applications. We have the ML100 series or performance-optimized, expandable, and affordable tower server, designed to meet small and medium-sized businesses' compute demand. The ML300 series provide high performance and unmatched capacity and reliability. Rack servers, we have as entry level the DL660 and DL880 provides affordable compute and scalability for cost-conscious service providers and small to medium-sized businesses. The DL100 series provide the right size, performance, and storage for space and budget-constrained environments. DL300 series offer the dense performance for multi-workload compute in data center. And finally, the DL500 series are high-density 4-socket server for multi-workload compute. Blade servers, we have the BL400 series, provides ideal balance of performance, density, and efficiency for enterprise applications. The BL600 series provides unparalleled blade performance and expansion for the most demanding workloads. The WS400 series offer engineering class 3D professional graphics for graphics-intensive workloads. Now moving to HP server management. HP OneView has been designed to eliminate management complexity through convergence and automation. HP OneView is converged. It is architected to deliver management that spans over server, storage, and networking, using the same interface and the same process template. HP OneView is software-defined. By this we mean that infrastructure elements are defined by experts using templates. This allows new infrastructure to be rolled out and updated consistently every time with the right configuration parameters and the right firmware version. HP OneView is automated. With a complete REST API, HP OneView becomes an automation hub. Allows programmatic access to HP OneView functionality, accelerating deployment and lifecycle management of HP infrastructure. HP Embedded Management, which includes IO Federation, HP Smart Update Manager, RESTful Interface Tool, and UEFI, provides remote management for lower OPEX, single interface for faster server updates, and scripting capabilities for faster provisioning. HP Convert System. Convergence is the journey to the new style of business. We are focused on increasing IT efficiency, lower cost, speed time to deliver new applications and services through convergence, automation, and workload-optimized systems. Workload-optimized HP Convert System and Blade System help you to accelerate time to value for key workloads like infrastructure as services, private cloud, VDI, and big data, and ease of deployment, management, and growth. HP Convert System 200 HC family. There are two platforms of HP CS200 HC family. First, partnering with VMware, and secondly, with our own HP Store virtual system. CS200 family provides simplified deployment, ease of management, high availability, array-based snapshots, synchronous and asynchronous replications. The CS200 HC servers both deliver application data services with 4 times the compute in 75 less space than traditional rack servers. The new HP Convert System 700 for Citrix Zen desktop reference architecture has a fully tested and validated blueprint, defining the optimal configuration supporting hundreds of virtual desktop and application users on an integrated system that includes Citrix Zen Desktop and Zen App. The Convert system for mobility makes IT faster. speeding problem resolution by up to 9 times faster, and 2 times faster application access that provides a very functional virtual desktop user experience. It drives 84 greater IT efficiency with faster infrastructure deployment, makes IT simple with 50 server improvement and user productivity, and reduce management tools by 50%. HP worked with SAP to innovate to produce the industry's most powerful SAP HANA solution. It delivers real-time analytics with a built-in resiliency to support your most mission-critical ERP workloads. You can analyze data in seconds versus hours or days, and it can be easily integrated into your existing environment. This enables you to rethink how the power of data can change your business. And finally, the big guy, HP Moonshot. HP Moonshot system is not like any other server that exists today. It is a huge leap forward in infrastructure design. The efficient Moonshot design enables 45 hot plug server and storage cartridges and 2 low latency network switch cartridges. The network switches are centrally located to enable high bandwidth and low latency and can support up to 45 times 10 gig ports of network bandwidth per switches. The switches uplink modules are stackable and produce standard rear cablings of uplinks 6 times 10 times gig or 4 times 40 gigs. Using the quad server cartridges, HP Moonshot 1500 chassis will support 1,620 servers, all sharing 5 dual rotor fan modules and 2 to 4 power supplies, common slot. Hence, Moonshot provides you optimized application performance, realize breakthrough economics, and accelerate business innovation. Thank you for your attention. Now, Julio from Solvz will continue with the latest innovation on storage.
I'm Julio Levesque, pre-sales engineer and head of sales at Solvz. For the second part of the presentation, I will talk mainly on HP storage, how HP classify its storage products, and I will go through the lineups briefly. So you may have been noticed that the way we use IT technology has changed over the years. With the increase of mobile devices, applications, cloud solutions, the volume of data is increasing rapidly over the years. It is estimated that by 2020, we will reach a total volume of 40 zettabytes of data storage worldwide. It's like billions of terabytes, just imagine. It is estimated also that 90% of actual data is less than 2 years old, and we will reach 450 billion internet transactions per day by 2020. So to overcome these challenges, now and for the years to come, HP is transforming the industry with converged storage. These storage are designed and built for the cloud, optimized for big data, virtualization, data security, and retention. Enterprises need to get control seamlessly on their storage with simplest management. Storage must be able to scale out and federate without disruptions. They must be able also to support various types of workloads as well as minimum impact on performance. So let's take a look at how HP classifies its storage portfolio. We have the primary storage lineup for unstructured and structured data like databases and virtual machines. HP's primary storage includes the HP FreePOD, the XP storage, as well as the HP Store Virtual, which is a mid-range HP storage. The entry-level SAN family, the MSA 1040 and the MSA 2040. And we have also the HP Store Easy series. It is a lineup, it is a NAS lineup from HP. HP have also specific products for information retention and analytics, like HP Store series, and for information protection, backup for example. We have HP Store 1 series and the HP Store Ever series. HP also has introduced a software-defined storage lineup as well, which is very interesting for those who already have servers with available disk space. I will talk to you about this later. So let's take a look at the HP FreePower. The HP FreePower is a high-end product in primary storage portfolio. It is considered as the gold standard for Tier 1 storage for virtualization in cloud. It offers many advantages for enterprises, namely its autonomy, which means that once it is provisioned and configured, the system responds effortlessly and instantly to new workload demands. For example, since it can support various types of disks with different speed, it has the ability to move data automatically from one disk type to another, where performance is required, all that without disruption and minimum human intervention. The HP FreePower is also efficient, and HP guarantees that it can reduce the capacity requirements by 50%. For example, if you have 650 terabytes on your existing storage, migrating to FreePower will take only 25 hours storage capacity. Being multi-tenant, here as well, HP guarantees that the HP FreePower can support 2 times the VM density per server and ensure resiliency for massive consolidation of workloads. Another advantage that you can get with the FreePower also is that enterprises can migrate and scale out their storage without disruption with a technology called PMotion. So here's a FreePower lineup. Enterprises can start with a small series, the 7200, and grow up as needed. We have also the 7400, which offers better expandability, and the 7450 series, which is built exclusively with SSDs. Then we have the 10,000 series for larger volume and performance. One of the main reasons why HP can guarantee efficiency and multi-tenancy by its FreePower store serve fin provisioning. Fin provisioning is a method of optimizing the efficiency in which the available space is utilized in SANs. This is done in 3 stages in FreePower, namely start fin, get fin, and stay fin. Start fin is done during the initial configuration of the storage. Only the space required for applications and more space can be reclaimed in the future. Get fins happen when enterprises migrate for their existing array. Fin conversion is done with the space and data before the migration. And stay fin is the ability of the HP FreePower to systematically reclaim and use space and allocate them where they are required. This is called the fin persistence also. Another HP primary offering is HP Store Virtual. The HP Store Virtual is a mid-range of HP primary storage suited mainly for SMBs and remote office and branch offices. The series is based on HP PowerLine servers and is optimized for virtualization. Here also you can start small with the 4130 and 4330 series and grow as space is needed with the 4530 and the 4730. We have a blade version as well, namely the 4630 and the 4335, which is built exclusively with SSDs. The HP Store Virtual is configured and managed by the HP left-hand OS, which is bundled with the hardware. So some features of the HP Store Virtual, similarly to the HP FreePower, the Store Virtual has fin provisioning technology. It can be scaled out seamlessly without disruption. It provides also high availability with its network-grade features, multi-site clustering for transparent failovers. Now let's take a look at the HP MSA family. The HP MSA family is entry-level in HP SAN offering. The HP MSA 1040, which is budget optimized SAN, and the HP MSA 2040 for performance optimized storage. They both have different types of connectivity from iSCSI, or you can choose from FCR as well. The HP MSA 2040 can support SSD as well and offer a high-speed fiber channel of 16 GB. The HP MSA family can also be used as direct attached to servers, not only for SAN. It can be used as DAS as well. Another primary storage from HP is the HP StoreEasy storage. These are mainly used for file and block sharing over the network, like for example, office documents, PDFs, multimedia, video, music. The portfolio consists of 1,000 series suited for SMBs and branch offices, and you can get up to 50 terabytes of storage capacity. We have also the 5530, which is a blade version, and which can go up to 400 terabytes. The 3000 series are designed for large space requirement and can scale to SAN capacity. The HP StoreEasy runs on the Microsoft Storage Server, just for your information. Now let's move to the HP information protection storage with the HP StoreOne's backup. So here's the lineup. The HP StoreOne's is a disk-to-disk backup offering from HP. Enterprise can start from 5.5 terabyte and can go up to 34 petabyte. Here also you have the software version, which is the HP StoreOne's VSA, which uses the same technology as the Store Virtual, allowing reclamation of unused space on servers and is managed with HP Data Protector and StoreOne's Catalog, which is a software management for HP StoreOne's backup family. Now let's take a look at the HP information retention and analytic portfolio. The HP Store family consists of the 8000 series. These solutions can scale up to 16 petabytes, suited specifically for archiving, and can be integrated with primary storage like the HP FreePOD for file and object storage. This series is bundled with Store All Express Query, allowing analytic and search capabilities. Finally, we have the HP StoreEver series, which comprises of tape solutions like autoloaders and libraries. HP offers the broadest LTO6 portfolio on the market and provides the lowest cost of ownership price per GB. Companies have investment protection as well because all the latest drives are backward compatible with former LTO technologies. You have, of course, infinite capacity on demand. You can acquire data cartridges as and when required. The HP data cartridges provide also many years archive life with encryption and provide seamless data mobility. So that's it for the HP storage. I'll leave my place to François, who will explain to you about the HP networking portfolio. Thank you.
Like everybody knows, big data, mobility, cloud and social networking. With all these new technologies, employees now want to access corporate applications anytime and from anywhere. With the explosion of these technologies, network needs of enterprise are transforming rapidly. And we will see, this is the needs of our new companies. Now when networks are down, everything is down, everybody's crying around. In the network now, we have a lot of load because of social media. A lot of companies use social media to communicate with their customers, with their partners. There's a lot of BYOD devices. People tend to bring their own laptops, their own tablets, their own smartphones to work, and they want to get their mail and access to all their corporate information right from their own devices. Okay. Cloud computing, of course, which is becoming the new trend. And also we are seeing more and more on technologies like Skype, like Link, where we have to do voice over IP. All these are generating demands on our networks. And if we look at the IDC quadrant, Magic Quadrant, which is dated June of last year, you would see that in the leaders, of course, Cisco is there, Aruba Networks, and HP Networking. And you may be aware or not, but HP has finalized the acquisition of Aruba Networks since March of this year, right? Since March 2015, HP has acquired Aruba Network. Aruba Network is a very strong network provider in terms of wireless networking. So now I think in the next year we'll see the new quadrant. There will be only HP and Cisco as leaders in this quadrant. Okay, HP, to respond to the current networking market trends, and HP has introduced a framework which HP called the HP Flex Network Architecture. The Flex Network Architecture consists of 4 building blocks: the Flex Fabric, the Flex Campus, and the Flex Branch. And of course, there needs to be management of all this, so it's Flex Management. Flex Network is converged networking architecture that extends from the data center to the workplace. This architecture enables the construction of unified network that support both wired and wireless devices. Flex Network architecture supports it's scalable, it's secure, it's agile networking with common operating experience. Flex Fabric offers, the first block is Flex Fabric, which offers end-to-end software-defined services in the data center, where your servers, most of your servers are. Right? Flex Campus is an end-to-end campus LAN solution that connects users to job-critical services across multiple buildings. And Flex Branch converges infrastructures and network applications to improve performance, centralize management, and reduce IT costs for enterprises' branch offices. Flex Management, this is the management software that allows efficient management of converged networks from the data center to the branch edge with a single pane of glass management platform, which is HP IMC, which can provide visibility, management, unification of wired and wireless devices for not only HP, but for multi-vendors. And let me here highlight that IMC supports more than 6,000 devices, including many a very popular competitor brand in terms of networking. You can manage all their devices in one single platform, and even the competitor cannot do it in one single management software. So this is the portfolio of HP Flex Fabric products. So it ranges from core switches from 10 GB E ports to 100 GB. But I think these are very big switches. I'm not sure we have all in our market. We have users for some types of big installations. But you have also, I think this is which is for most of our market, is where you have the Flex Campus portfolio, right? Where you have in the Flex Fabric portfolio, you have core switches, wireless access switches, and of course management. And we have also a wireless portfolio for the campus, wireless access point, wireless controllers, outdoor access points, which are also available. Cloud managed access points. This is the Flex Branch, smaller offices. I think the Flex Branch and the Flex Campus are more the devices that we would see in our market. These are more affordable devices, less ports than the Flex Fabric big switches. We're going to talk about Flex Management. Today, I think management of a converged network infrastructure is very important. Business requirements are changing at a much faster pace than before, and networks need to adapt to this pace and match the pace. Network management needs to ensure continuous uptime, reduce operational burden, and deliver services and applications when the business expects them. So we'll again see a video about HP IMC, because I think it's difficult for me to present HP IMC. Sorry.
Of command line interface entries for manual provisioning and up to 25 separate management tools. That's like using 25 conductors to lead an orchestra with instruments you had to make yourself. What if there was a single, comprehensive, automated network provisioning application that could make your network a masterpiece of efficiency? Actually, there is. HP's Intelligent Management Center delivers comprehensive automated network provisioning. It ends the 40 years of manual entry of CLI commands, delivers policy-based efficiency, and prepares you for the cloud, so even users with their own devices can connect to any application with ease. Your network will run as efficiently and seamlessly as a world-class symphony. Sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? IMC is a web services platform that scales with the needs of today's networks by adding modules to manage new functionality. IMC modernizes how networks are deployed and managed. It orchestrates your network from data center to campus users to branch networks. It provides a new cloud-friendly operating model and exceptional visibility, security, and business efficiency, all as one cohesive tool. With IMC, you can actually see. Because of its multi-dimensional, deep, single pane of glass visibility, you can see your entire network from one vantage point. And when you can see everything, optimizing network performance is a snap. When you can see things, you can secure things. IMC Security gives you increased control through a single pane management console. You control who has access and what they have access to. You can even perform device checks to prevent real-time attacks. And since it's so easy to identify and manage devices, more users can bring their own devices, or BYOD, giving incredible flexibility with no risk to security. Plus, now you can provide the same optimized user experience for wired and wireless BYOD users, as well as consistent access and policy for wired and wireless LAN. Integrated access control, policy enforcement, quarantining, and a captive portal. It's all in there. With IMC, the businesses that utilize your network will always be in rhythm. IMC delivers virtual application networks, HP's software-defined network strategy to enable a cloud environment. With Virtual Application Networks Manager, apps can be deployed in minutes. Deploying devices is near effortless. In fact, IMC manages even non-HP devices for a cohesive multi-vendor network and a smooth migration to HP networks. Plus, because IMC is one synthesized tool, and because it provides consistent, unified management of wired and wireless systems, every aspect of network management is streamlined. It's easier than ever to find, fix, and even prevent problems. Whether you're deploying apps, devices that are wired or wireless, the efficiencies gained by IMC are right on beat. IMC's single platform, harmonized management, brings you greater visibility, stronger integrated security, and higher business efficiency, which all crescendos into a much higher network performance and a much lower OpEx. It's like music to your ears.
Can manage not only HP devices, but like I said earlier, IMC can manage more than 6,000 devices, so including Cisco devices, including when you plug in IMC, you can find on your network all the devices that uses an IP. You can find them on IMC. We have a demo of IMC outside. You can, after this presentation, have a look, in real life situation, how IMC can discover networks and how you can configure devices quite easily. Okay, like I said, by installing IMC, right, you always ensure that all the visibility across your network devices. By implementing BYOD devices, you can know who is on your network, who is doing what, right? By being able to have a management software, you can proactively attend to problems instead of when problems do happen, then you react. You know proactively that the problems are happening on the network, where the bottlenecks. You can automate and schedule deployments of your devices, like firmware upgrades can be scheduled via IMC. Right, benefits, like we have all seen from the presentation, that is infrastructure cost reduction by switching to HP networking, increasing staff productivity because your staff can be relocated to other tasks, user productivity, like we've seen in the American airline video, users see that their network are faster, all right, and I think business productivity is increasing business operations, right, thank you. So now I invite you to